We're here in Las Vegas at the National Multifamily Conference. Boy, there is a lot of people here.
We're out here trying to get a pulse of what's going on in today's market.
We're here with Mr. 10X. What's going on?
Well, I'm here to buy some real estate, so if anybody's got anything you guys are ready to sell, I'm ready to pay too much for it because that's what I do.
Final days here in Vegas. It's been a hell of a trip, and we'll see you in San Diego next year.
All right. See you next year.
See you next year.